Cardano holders Charles Hoskinson has recently spoke out about where he wants to see the Cardano Foundation move to. And we're not talking about move to a different, way of doing things. We're talking about physically getting up and moving. And it has to do with, moving to a part of the world where crypto is liked, where crypto is looked at as the future and not a bump in the road or something that is infringing upon a current system or regime. See, as we've come to know, I mean, there are very many places in the world where crypto is flourishing, and there are other places in the world where crypto is being held back. Here in the United States, we've been held back the last 4 years, but with Donald Trump coming in, that is changing. And Charles Hoskinson spoke out on this, and I think this is something that could have some big implications for the future of Cardano moving forward, just solidifying their place, I think, in the top 10, solidifying their asset as something that could expand in years to come. And it's not to say that, this needs to happen or else Cardano's done, but I wanted to share with you guys what Hoskinson said. And I think it was very fascinating because I hadn't really understood or heard about this too much. And let me take you inside the article here. Drop myself down here. Guys, go ahead and hit that like button too. Subscribe down below. Definitely appreciate that. But Hoskinson recently urges the Cardano Foundation to relocate to Abu Dhabi. And of course, he's the founder. He raised concerns that Cardano's foundation should move its legal base from Switzerland. Now, in this recent discussion on X, Hoskinson said that Switzerland's legal, Charles Hoskinson, the founder of Cardano, raised concerns about the foundation moving its legal base from Switzerland, saying the foundation shouldn't be in Switzerland. There are many jurisdictions that allow for different DLT foundations like Abu Dhabi or Wyoming. The community could design with the CF a new structure, and the CF could grant the funds to this structure. The alternative is having people appointed by the Swiss government forever choose their successors and never have any community input. I then use the funds leadership or oversight. So he's suggesting the company relocate its governance structure to jurisdictions where it's more crypto friendly. As per him, locations like Abu Dhabi or Wyoming would offer better opportunities for the community to have a say in governance, leadership, fund usage, and deep insights. He pointed out that Swiss governance laws, under these laws, the process of appointing board members is controlled internally with no direct input from the Cardano community. He's warning this system could lead to a lack of accountability where board members choose their successors indefinitely without community oversight. Really what he's saying here is if they stay in Switzerland under Swiss governance laws, they really don't have a full decentralized ecosystem. He proposed a new structure where you could collaborate with the community to design a governance model that includes democratic principles. This structure, the foundation could transfer its funds to the new setup, ensuring that decision-making is transparent and community-driven. This discussion obviously gained a ton of traction from Cardano holders, and people started raising questions about the organization's security and transparency. People in the Cardano community have since called for reforms to ensure the foundation operates in a manner prioritizing inclusivity and accountability. Some Cardano enthusiasts have echoed Hoskinson's concerns, criticizing the Swiss legal framework for being too rigid and excluding the community from governments. While Swiss bylaws provide legal protections and compliance, they lack the flexibility needed for broader communication participation. So the foundation promised transparency. They did open up about this. In this post, the foundation emphasized its commitment to transparency, highlighting efforts like launching financial insights reports and on-chain audited statements to complement its annual activity report. Hoskinson still feels these steps fall short and is calling for a new decentralized structure aligning with blockchain principles. Many in the crypto community support this proposal. I think this would obviously be a positive as well. This debate has gained a lot of momentum, especially after an anonymous whistleblower's post about the foundation surface. Now, we know that Cardano is still in a really good spot. They're ranked number 9 on the big board, guys, sitting here at $34 billion market cap. The market pulling back from J. Powell's comments yesterday, obviously, little hiccup little bump in the road, nothing crazy here. Chainlink down, 8%. We could see Cardano's down 6%. Cardano still looks really, really good. And I think we're going to get, in my opinion, a momentum up on this chart very, very soon. Cardano's been kind of flatlining a little bit. I think we're going to get kind of gearing up and getting ready for our next breakout. And I'm telling you guys, if that happens for a little over $1 a day, trust me when I tell you guys this, XT algo works. It is my trading indicator. We can go back and look at various charts. I mean, if we go into the, 1 day on XRP, look how good this thing worked back here. It called it perfectly back here on this chart. It basically said XRP was a buy at 55 cents, that momentum up. Cardano's going to have one of these parabolic runs. And if you're prepared now with XT algo, you're going to be out in front. You could set up your own customized alerts. I walk you through how to do it. Guys, we spend money on stupid stuff all the time. Buy Starbucks coffees every day. This is literally $1 a day, and it's a 30-day money back guarantee. In my opinion, you're crazy not to give it a try. This is the best product, the best company that I have built. And there's links down below, 21% off coupon code. Definitely give it a look and check it out because I think Cardano's gearing up and getting ready. Let's take a look at that ADA chart. Okay, because right now, our last momentum up that we had fire still provided some great returns from where we are right now in the last 42 days, 140%. Our last momentum up buy alert was at 40 cents. You could have had 140% from then until right now even. Now, we have not got the momentum down yet. Okay, we have not broke out of this range. We're kind of sitting right here at this 96, 97 cents. We've been here before. As long as we kind of hold this line, we're still in an overall uptrend. But eventually, I think we're going to break loose again on this Cardano chart. And when that starts to happen, we're going to see an upside potential from $1 all the way back up to all-time highs. We're talking about more than a 3x away right now from that current all-time high. This is just my opinion, but I do think it's coming for ADA. I'm still looking at a $5 to $7 price target as we roll into this bull run. And you want to be prepared. You want to be ready for when that happens. I'm telling you guys, the tools and resources are right here. Even if you go with the yearly package at XT Algo, $500 for the year, one successful trade, depending on how much you're trading, right? You put $1,000 into Cardano on our next momentum up call, and it gives you a 2 to 3x. This thing is paid for itself already, right? So we have the monthly, the quarterly, and the yearly 30-day money back guarantees, guys. I'm telling you guys, you should definitely check it out. At least try it for 30 days, risk-free. You can cancel at any time. We'll give you a full refund. If you guys take this serious, I'm confident you're going to love it. I mean, it's worked on every single large cap crypto. Look at the Bitcoin chart. This thing triggered a momentum up on Bitcoin way back here. Boom. Okay, 61 days ago, you would have made 57%. $64,000 was the call back in September. 64K was the call. You would have got into Bitcoin at 64K and made 57% just by using XT Algo's momentum up on the daily. Now, this could be used on the hourly, the 12-hour, the 4-hour, the 2-hour. But Cardano is right now very quiet, and I like taking a look at these type of assets right now. What do you guys think about this? Do you think Hoskinson has some substance here? Do you think they should move and go to Abu Dhabi? Let me know your thoughts down below. I appreciate you guys for watching the video. We'll see you guys in the next one.